that's hitting your mark, but that's beautiful batting. That is a superb shot off a pretty good ball.
Hey guys, this is another episode of FunSchool. My name is Sarfraz Ahmed. Get ready to take some another thing to learn a lot. Today I will talk about cricket. So cricket is by far one of the popular sport in the entire world, or this far most popular bat and ball game ever played. Now in this episode, I'm gonna tell you history of this game and as well as tell some basic fact and how the game cricket work. Now the game cricket is played in an oval field that looks kinda like this. But we get know how the cricket actually played. So in the middle of oval shaped field is the rectangular strip in the middle is called the pitch. So pitches where the bowler balls the ball to the other team's batsman hits the ball. The batsman hit the ball far enough. He scored runs for his team by running back and forth between two safe zones called crease. Now batsman misses the ball and hits the wicket behind him, so he will out. He can also get out if he hit the ball and it caught on the fly by a fielders or a fielder able not over the wicket while outside the crease. There are tons of more that how cricket work. If you want more information, then I give you link in the description down below. Go and check out. Now let's talk about little bit of history of cricket. Now cricket actually start as a child game and it's actually start in 16th century in England. And yeah, barely cricket was first played in southeast England. A stick and a ball of sheep's wool was first ever equipment used to play the game. Now the modern game of cricket was developed in England in 16th century, and in 1788 the first official laws of cricket was written down. The Marylebone Cricket Club, known as MCC, was the first cricket team established, and in 1793 the first recorded cricket game was played. Hey guys, let me know which is your favorite game and who is your favorite player in the comment section below. Now, the International Cricket Association, which is the international governing body of cricket, was formed in 1909 and it had South Africa, England, Australia as its only member. Later on, India and West Indies and other countries were added. Now today, International Cricket Association, or the ICC for the short, has 105 members, 14 members that plays test matches, 39 are associate members and 56 are affiliate members. As in 2005, ICC headquarters is located in Dubai. Now the longest cricket match in history took place in 1939 between England and South Africa. Now the game was played on 3 of March in 1939 and lasted 12 days. And in the game, England had to chase down the world record. Total 694 runs to win against South Africa. And England actually came pretty close to the last day of the match. They had 646 runs. However, the match was declared a draw. This was because English player had to rush back to catch the boat, which was gonna leave from the South Africa. In the middle of the game, now the first ever international cricket game played between United States and Canada in 1844. And now in the cricket is always achievement if the batsman can score of 100 run or more. When it do that, this known as century. He can also get double century, which is 200 run. That like a huge achievement as well. Now the former Australian women team captain Belinda Clark was the first player ever, male or female, to score the double century in one day of international cricket. This happened in match in 1997 against Denmark in Mumbai, and she got a score of 229, and now she had retired in 2005. No one knows she has been a record of 4,844 ODI runs, and she has been inducted ICC Hall of Fame for her accomplishment. Now look up Bert Oldfield. He is one of the finest wicketkeeper in the history of cricket. He is first ever wicket keeper to cause 100 batsmen dismissed and scored total of 1000 runs. Now guys, I will tell you fast fact of Indian cricket. So first is, cricket was first time played in India in 1848. That means 165 years from now. Second one is Nappa Vishwanath, Mohammad Azharuddin and Saurabh Ganguly, Sehwag, Shikhar Dhawan are the 5 Indian cricket to score a century in their debut match. Third one is, Indian cricket team is the one and only team who hold the record of getting dismissed twice in a single day in a test match. Fourth one is, MS Dhoni holds the world record of 6 dismissals by a wicketkeeper in a single match. He made this record in 2007 against England. Fifth one is, Mohammad Azharuddin is the only batsman to score 3 centuries in the first 3 test matches. Sixth one is, Shahid Afridi used the bat of Sachin Tendulkar to hit the fastest ODI century of his career. Seventh one is, Ravi Shastri is the only Indian cricketer to have batted on all 5 days of the test match. Zakar Ali Khan Pataudi was the only Indian cricketer to have played for 2 countries. He played for both India and England. Let me know your thought and comment on cricket. Do you watch it or you big fan? Do you hate this sport? Let me know everything down below. Join in on conversation guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you are visit first time here in FunSchool, and share this video so that you can educate somebody else. Yeah, sharing is caring. You should know that. Hey guys, see you until next time. I'm Sarfraz Ahmad. Peace.